Hey guys, 8-Bit Biker here, and today I'm going to be installing the SW Motech Pro tank ring on my Yamaha MT-10. I'll show you the process very quickly, and then I'll show you what a small tank bag looks like on the MT-10, as well as what a larger tank bag looks like. And if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out when I upload. And with that being said, let's get stuck in. Let's take a look at the tank bag then, starting with the 3 to 5 litre micro tank bag. The fit is magnetic so it sits on easily, and you can also adjust the tank bag to make it sit closer to the handlebars so it doesn't hang quite so far back like mine does if you prefer. You can fit a sandwich and a small bottle of water in the micro, but that's about it. You do just about feel it touching your chest when you lean forward, but you don't notice it and it doesn't compromise your riding position. And for that reason, this is my go-to tank bag for the MT-10, and I find it handy for carrying a bottle of water and a disc lock. The Pro City has 11 to 14 litres of capacity, and this is as big as I would personally go on this bike. It does interfere with your riding position a little, and it stops you leaning fully into the tank. It also sits very close to the tank, so if it's loaded up with heavy luggage it might rub against the paintwork. Despite that, I really like it and I appreciate the extra capacity, although if I was buying again I'd probably go one size down to the Pro Engage tank bag.